Hi guys, this is Himanshu from the CMS guys. Today I will teach you how to create an awesome blogging website from beginning to end with a stunning design using absolutely free tools and theme in WordPress using Elementor. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show us your support by liking the video. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notification of a video every week. Also mention in comment section which website you would like to create to learn next. Now let me show the demo of the website we are going to build today. So now here you can see that this is the home page of our website. On the top of the page we have a header or navigation bar with links to different pages and a search icon on the right. After that we have a call to action button on left. In the middle we have a company logo. On the right we have icon with links to different social media networks. Our next section has image box with title, description and hover effects. Each image box links to the blog page. Moving forward we have a category section. Here we have different categories like dessert, fruits, recipes and fruits. Each category contains an image of food of that category and call to action button. We also have a 3D hover effect when we are hovering over each of the category. After that we have a section with beautiful hover effect on the image and it has a title and description and comment section on the left. On the right we have a short section of about me. Here we have an image, title and description. Then we have social media icon, the link which have linked to different social media networks. After that we have a feature post section. Here we have post. Every post has image and description. We have another section that have different food posts and each post contain an image box with the description of the recipe. After that we have a subscribe section on the right. Here you can see here we have title, an input box and a call to action button. Finally we have our footer which has Instagram account name, when company logo and description, and social network icons with links or to the left, and subscribe section which has title, input box and call to action button. As I mentioned earlier, the website is completely mobile responsive. Let me show you the mobile view so that you can see that our website is completely mobile optimized view also. So here you can see that this is completely mobile responsive view. So now next we have an about us page with a hero section and grid of 3 images on the left and a title, description and social icon of different social network with links on the right. After that here you can see that we have our footer. Next we have here you can see the different category pages like dessert, recipes and fruit. So now let me open a page for you. So here I am opening this recipe page of a single block category page. So now here on the left we have a recipe section. Here we have recipe, image, name of the recipe, description, post date and comment section for each recipe. On the right we have short section of about me. Here we have an image, title and description. After that we have social media icon and link which have linked to different social media networks. After that we have feature post section. Here we have post. Every post has image and description. After that we have this subscribe section on the right. Here we have a title, an input box and a call to action button. On the bottom we have a pagination so that by clicking on the post you can go to different posts. So here you can see then we have our footer just like we have in our home page. Now moving on to the contact us page, you can see we have a Google Maps which pinned to the company location, address and contact number, email ID on the left and contact form with submit button on the right, and then we have our footer. So now that you have seen what our target website will look like, So now let us dive into creating it. Guys, do watch the complete video so that you don't miss any important point. Please ask any queries you have in the comment section below and leave thumbs up if you like the video. Also let us know which website you would like to learn. So at first we need a domain and hosting to start set up the website. So for that we need to go to this website thecmsguys.com/namecheap. So first now to install WordPress we have to scroll down to bottom, and or you can also getting this search option. Here you can search for WordPress, and then here you can see that WordPress manager by Softaculous. We have to use this one. You can click on this, and here you have to choose the domain name where you have to where you want to install. So for that let me first of all let me install the WordPress on my domain name. So for it, what I will do, we have to filling the WordPress details and all. First of all, click on this install, and then here we have to search for. So here you can see that this is my domain name where I want to install. So here I have selected this the cmsguys.in, and then here we have to fill our site name and then site description. So site name is basically our site title. So here I will give it the name the cms. Let me give it cms guys. After that here in this description I will be give our company tagline, which is spreading the knowledge. So let me give it. Then we have to choose the username and password. Then we have to choose this. So let me give it a username. So here I will give it this ms guys, and you can use random password, or you can give any password also, or you can use any of this password, or you can also use random password generator to generate passwords for you. After that here we have to fill this admin email address. So here I will going to give my email address. So let me give it. And then here you can skip the theme installation. Here you can no need to select. We will select our own theme, and finally here we have to click on this install button. So our WordPress, you can find that within a few minutes our WordPress installed successfully. So let's wait for it. Then we will get one message for our WordPress, and so here you can see that congratulations message is here, and then the here you can see that the software was installed successfully. So now we will start creating and customizing our website. For that we need to go to the dashboard. So here you can see this, the administrative URL is basically the dashboard URL for the WordPress. So you can let me open our website first. So here you can see that this is the cmsguys.in where we have installed the WordPress, and this is how it's going to look like, because it is the default theme is activated now. So if you want to go to this dashboards, and then you have to just here after your website name you have to put a slash and then wp-admin, and then here you will be redirect to your dashboard login panel. And here also you can find this administrative URL, the same URL. It will be also redirect to you to the dashboard of this here dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see that after that we have to enter this username and password, which for which so here you have to enter your username and password, and then entering this you will be see this dashboard. So let me show you again. So here you can see that this is how the WordPress dashboard is going to look like. Dashboard. So now let me tell you a quick overview of the dashboard and what are the basic settings you have to do before start creating the website. So here you can see that on the left hand side we have different options like post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins. So I am going to tell you what are the basic settings we have to do, and I am also going to tell you a overview of these all. So let us first start with the post. So here you can see that in post section we have this hello world post, so we don't require this post. So click on this trash button to delete it, and once you deleted that post, go to this trash, and here you can click on empty trash to delete that completely. After that, here you can see that whatever post blog post here you can write. So here you can see that we are going to create this blogging website, and all these contents should be present in our post. So we can give different categories and different tags to our post also. So here you can see that these all are blog, and here you can see these tags: fashion, lifestyle, travel. So in this way we can also give tags to our post. After that, we have this media section. All the medias, the photos, whatever we are present in our website will be shown in this media library section. Here you can see that these are the file formats you can upload in this media library, like images, audio, video, documents, spreadsheet. All of these file formats are supported from media library. After that, we have these pages. So here whatever pages we are going to create, we can create using this pages section. So we don't require this privacy policy page or sample page. So what I am going to do now is I will select all the pages from this tick mark, and then under bulk action I will click on move to trash, and then click on apply button to delete all the pages. After that, here you can go to this trash, and here you can click on empty trash to delete these pages also. So now here you can see that we have no pages left. After that, let us go to this appearance section, and here you can see that as I have told you that this 2021 theme is activated on our site. Let me open the site on a new tab, and here I will activate this 2020 theme, and then when I will refresh the page, you can see that this entire site structure has changed. So the main important thing is that I must recommend you to use only a single theme, so that the WordPress will not get loaded, and you also save a lot of space. So here you can see that we must have to keep only a single theme. So what I will do, I will delete this 2019 and 2021 theme. Let me tell you how you can delete this theme. So here you can click on this theme details, and then here on the right side you have a delete button. Click on that delete button, and then once you have you will get this pop-up like click on OK button to confirm the delete. Click on that OK button and confirm the delete. After that, on the same way I am deleting this 2019 theme also. So once you have deleted this, now you can see that you have only a single theme, 2020 theme. So the most important thing is that we are not going to use this 2020 theme also. I am going to tell you later on which theme we are going to install. So now let us move to this plugin section. So here in this plugin, now you can see that I have two plugins here, but on your plugin section you may get more number of plugins. So choose wisely your plugins provides extra features to our website, and here you can see that these ask me net and then this hello dolly, these plugins are not so much important. So what I am going to do now, I will select all this plugin, and under bulk action I am going to select this delete option, and then click on apply button to delete this plugin. And now here you can see that all the plugins were deleted. After that, here you can see that you have a user section. Suppose your website is maintained by many users, like you have given access, or you want to give access to someone who can log in through this dashboard, and he can add blog posts or he can create pages. So let me tell you how you can do that. So here you can see that you have this user section, and here you can click on this add new to create a new user, and you can assign this subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator role. So this subscriber role is for the customer, so no need to assign this role to anyone. So here you can assign this author or editor, or like someone has come to your site or he want to add blog post, then you can give them this editor access, and they can log in through your dashboard and they can write blog post for your site. So here let me tell you how you can click on that add new, and here you have to give username, email, first name, last name, and then here you can create password, and then here you have to assign the role like editor, author, whatever role you want to assign, and then click on add new user to add that user. Then we have this setting option. Let us go to the setting option, and here you can see that we have this site title and then this tagline. So what I am going to tell you, Here you can see that blogging to just another WordPress site. Just another WordPress site is our tagline. So here it is appearing in this tab. So let me change this tagline to by this CMS guys, and then what I will do, I will click on this save changes, and then when I will refresh the page. Here you can see that this is how the tagline has changed. In this way you can change the site title also. After that, here you make sure you this administration email address is most important. You have given this administration email address correct, and whenever you will forgot your password or your dashboard at username and password, then you can reset using this administration email address. That's why this administration email address is very much important. Make sure you have enabled this or you have given this administration email address correct. After that, here if you want to change the date format or any of this time format, you can change this date format and time format. So I am not going to change any of this date format or time format. So let us now move to this. Now here you have to not to do anything with this reading or writing section. Now let us go directly to this permalink and make sure you have selected this post name. So it is more important that you must make sure that you have selected this permalink to post name. After that, click on this save changes, and then let us go to back to the dashboard. So these are the basic settings that we have to do. After that, here you can see that in this dashboard we are going to we are looking here. You can see that we are getting so many of messages like welcome to dashboard, and then the site health status, quick draft, at a glance, activity. So we don't need to see, or if you don't want to see them, what you can do, here you can see that on the right side corner we have this screen option here. Click on that screen option, and here you can untick all of this thing. And once you untick all of these things, then you will find that all the things has gone now, and we have a completely blank dashboard. So these are the basic settings that we have to do for our WordPress before start creating our website. Thank you so much. So as we have done all the basic settings for our WordPress site, now what we have to do, we have to start with our installing of the required theme and plugins. So let us now move to our appearance section, and first of all let us install the theme that we are going to use here. So as you can see that we have this 2020 theme. I am not going to use this 2020 theme. So to add a new theme, you have to click on this add new button, and then here on the right side you will get this search option. So here you have to search for OceanWP, and then here you can see that this is the theme which we are going to use. So click on this install to install this OceanWP theme. So we are going to use this OceanWP theme, which is completely free. So make sure you have installed this OceanWP theme. Now you can see that this is installed. I will click on this activate button to activate this OceanWP theme. So now you can see that OceanWP theme is activated. So now what I will do, I will again do the same process to delete this 2020 theme also. So I am going to click on this theme details and then delete, and then OK to confirm the delete. So now let us first, here you can see that this theme recommends the following plugin. So let us first begin installing this Ocean Extra plugin. So what I will do, I will first install this Ocean Extra plugin. So I will click on this install. Now you can see that this plugin is successfully installed. So the main thing now, first of all, let us go to back to the dashboard, and here you can see that welcome to OceanWP. So here let us first run the setup wizard for the OceanWP. So here you can see we have this welcome wizard. So now let me click on this get started, and then here I am going to create this website completely from scratch. So what I will do, I will click on this skip step, and then let me first upload the logo. So here you can see that we don't have any file. So what we have to do, we have to click on this select files, and then here you can find this all the images also I am going to give you. So here you can upload your images. So you can select your logo like this, and then you can click on this choose image, And then for that site icon also, let me tell you what does this site icons do. So first of all, let me upload and select a site icon. So and then after that, here you can also add this primary hover, primary color, main border color, link color, links hover color. So if you want, you can add this primary hover, primary main border color, links color, hover, links hover color from here also, or I can show you another option how you can add them. So let us first add this primary hover, primary colors here. So for the primary color, we have to use this color code 954 3D5, and then let us change the hover primary color also. So for this hover primary color, I can select the color and the color code will be 7123 AE. After that, here you can see that we have this main border color, links color and link hover color. Let us change them also. So what I am going to give it this link color as 3333 6 times 3, and then here hover primary color I will make this same color to this links hover color, and then for this main border color also I can use this same color. After that, let me click on this continue, and then as you can see that we have done. So when you will refresh the page, here you can see that we have got this site icon. So this is what I am going to tell you about the site icon. So now as you can see that we are getting this this logo is getting very big. So let us first customize this logo also. Click on this customize option, and then here you can directly go to this header setting, or here you can click on this pencil icon to directly go to that logo setting, and here you can adjust this maximum setting. So what I will do, let me make this one maximum width to 150, let it be, and later on we are going to change all these things. So what I will do, let us go back, and here one more thing I want to change this border color. So here you can see that you can set this border, this one is the border background color. So I can go to this border bottom color and I can make it white, because we don't require this border bottom color. And then as you can see that we have to go to this top bar also, and then here in general border color just make it white, or we can change according to it. So let it be first white, and then later on we are going to change this top bar and everything. So first of all, after doing all of this thing, now let us go back, and what I can do also, I can disable this top bar and let me publish it, because we don't require this top bar now. So let us go back, and as you can see that we have done all of these basic settings and all for it. So what I will do now, after this, let us go back to the dashboard, and here I am going to click on this view our site. So here you can see that again we are now in dashboard. So here you can see we are getting this OceanWP overview and all. No need to do anything. Now let us first go and install the required plugins, as we have not installed the plugins. So let us go to the plugin option. After the plugin option, here you can see that we have this add new button. We can click on this add new to install the plugin. So first of all, click on this add new, and then first of all let us first use the Ocean plugins. So here I am going to search for Ocean, and here you can see that you are getting this Ocean extra we have already activated, and then we don't need this Ocean product sharing, so remove don't install that one. Ocean social sharing, install that one, and then Ocean stick anything, this one is also not needed. Ocean custom sidebar, Ocean post slider, we need this one. And then we are here you can see the Ocean modal window, we don't need that one. Ocean sticky header, OceanWP sticky header, we require this one. Click on this OceanWP sticky header, and then here these are the required plugins which we have installed. I am not going to activate these plugins from here. So let us first quickly install other plugins also. So here I am going to search for WPForms for our contact form page. So once you have searched, here you can see that contact form by WPForm, install this one. So WPForm has also installing. Now after that, one more plugin. So for this, as you can see that here we have this contact page. So let me open this contact page, and for this contact page we are going to use our Elementor page builder. So for this, let us use Elementor. And here you have to search for Elementor. So this one is the Elementor website builder. Install this one, and also install these essential add-ons for Elementor to add extra features to it. So here you can see that both of are installing. So once they will install, so let these essential add-ons to get finished. Now what I will do, I will activate them all in a single click. So let us go back to this installed plugins, and then here I am going to select all the plugins, and I will untick this Ocean Extra, and then under bulk action I will select activate and then click on apply. After clicking on this apply button, you will find that all the plugins will be activated. So for that, again let me go to this custom. So here you can see that this is essential add-on setting. So let me quickly finish this. Now when I will go to this plugin section, now you can see that all the plugins were activated. So let us quickly dismiss this, no thanks, and cross mark this one. Now let us go back to the dashboard. So with this you can see we have also get some of these again here in the dashboard. So what I can do, again I can click on this screen option and I can untick all of these things to make the dashboard clean. So we have done all this installation of theme, and also we have installed all the plugins that are required for this site. As we are going to create a blogging website, so let me quickly tell you how to create a blog post. So first of all, you can click on this post, and let me go back to the home page, and here I will open a blog post for you, and then we are going to create that one. So let me open this one, and then what I will do, here I will click on this add new to add the blog post. After that, here you can see that we have this one as a title. So let me copy the title, and in place of this add title I will paste it. After that, here you can see that these are all our blog content. So let me quickly copy these, and then I will let me quickly copy the text, and here I will paste it. I think I have done a mistake. So let me copy this text from here, and then I will paste them here. After that, here you can see that if you want to change this all, suppose here you can see that this one is the you can create, suppose here you can change this h3 to, if you want to make it h4, h5, h6 or h2, you can change these. And if some word you want to make bold, you can make them bold. Like this you can change your entire code this. And here you can see that as here we have entered one block code. Let me copy it, and here suppose you want to add more block code, so you can paste the code here, and then from here also you can shift them down, or suppose if you want to make them up, so you can change their position also. So this is how your you can add headings and all. Suppose let me copy this heading from here, and I want to add one more heading. So I will click on heading, and I will paste that exact, and I will make it h3, and let me push it up. So in this way you can add different headings and all. After that, what I will do, on this post option on the right side, you can create categories and all. So let me quickly create a category. I will click on this add new category, and here let me type travel, and then I will click on add new category. So here you can see that this travel is selected, and in tag also I will type this travel, to add this. After that, let us set a featured image. So again we have to go to this upload, and let me select a file for this featured image. So what I will do, I will select this. So let me select this photo, or I will upload all of this photo except the logo, because we have uploaded the logo earlier. So let me upload all of these things, and then I am going to select this one and then click on set featured image. After setting it as a featured image, now you can suppose if you want to make this allow comments, you can off comments from here also for this particular type. So what I will do, let me click on this publish button, and once you will click on this publish, you can see your blog post. Click on this view post, and now you can see that this is how your blog post is going to look like. So after that, here you can see that I have told you how to create blog posts, so you can create your own blog post. So here you can see that here there are different blog posts. So first of all, I have to also add more blog posts here, so that we can achieve this entire website. So let me quickly add some more blog posts here. So now here you can see that I have added number of blog posts here. So now what I will do again, let us go to the pages section. So here you can see that this is the pages, and then here let me add a new page. So here I will create a add new, and let me give it a name home, and then I will publish this page. And then let us click on this WordPress logo and go back, and here what I will do, I will hover over these settings, and here I will click on reading. Now you can see that your home page display. I will click on a static page, and here I will select this post page as home page, and then click on save changes. After doing all this, let me refresh the page, and here you can see that we are now in home page, and here it is displaying all our blog posts. So here in this you can see, if you will see that here we don't need this title bar. So what I can do, I can go to this again I will go to this pages option, and here I will click on edit, and now you can see that this OceanWP setting, go to this title and disable it. Now when you will update it, let me refresh the page and show you. So here you can see that this is how the title has gone. In our home page, if you will see that we have this option of these slider. So now let me tell you how you can add this slider to you. So here first of all you can go to this, here you can see this slider option, post slider. So let us create a post slider. So here I will give it a name home slider. After creating this, here you can add this different types of post type you can make, and then style you can make these 3 images style, and the number of posts you want to display, here make it 6, and then here number per slide if you want, make it blank, and then size let us give it medium large size, and then here if you want to add this read more, you can add. And then here you can go to this slide option, and here suppose if you want to add margin, so here it is showing the example like 0 0 20 pixel and 0 top right bottom. So here what I will do, I will add some bottom margin of this 50 pixel, and rest I will bottom and rest let it be. And then let us go to this post option, and if you want to select this different categories, you can add, and then here everything is okay. So what I will do, I will copy this short code from here, and let me publish this slider. So now here you can see that this post slider is published. Now again let us go back to the pages, and here you can click on this edit option for the home page. After that here you can see this shortcode option, click on that, and then shortcode after top bar, shortcode before header, shortcode after header. So here shortcode after header, you have to add that shortcode, and then click on update. And then when you will refresh the page, so here you can see that you can able to see the entire carousel of posts. as we have this in our demo page. So after that, now let us start building these sidebar. As you can see that in our main page this sidebar is completely different. So now let us start creating this sidebar. So first of all, before going to the sidebar, what we have to do, here you can see that we are getting this completely weird color of this border. So let us go to this customize again, and here in this customize option we can go to this general option, general styling, and here main border color we can make it default and publish it. So we are done with it. So now let us start creating our sidebar. So now for the sidebar, what I will do, I will cross mark this customize option, and on this tab what I will do, hover over this appearance, and here you can see this widgets option. So we have to customize this default slider. So first of all, let me quickly delete these all search, recent posts, and then reset comments and all. So first of all, I am going to add this add about me. So here you can see that this is how. So what I will do, let me copy this name and all. So first of all, let me add this about me to the default slider, and here you can see that we have this about me. So let me add this image. So I will select this image, and then here I will add the change the name, and then here if you want to add this description and all, you can add this social style. Let me give it light, and then social link target. Suppose if you want to give any target, then here you can select this self, and then add no follow link referral. So here let whatever link you want to add, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or anything, and then suppose let me add this LinkedIn here, and then suppose if you want to add Twitter, so here you can search here for like Twitter and all. So let me search for Twitter. So here you can see the Telegram Twitter. So here I am giving this hashtag blank. So let me save this. After saving this about me, let us refresh our page and let's see. So here you can see that we are getting this about me here. So after that, here you can see so for that, let us first fix this icons, because we are not able to see any icons here. So after the about me, here you can see that we have this newsletter. So let us add this newsletter after the about me. So to add this newsletter, again I will go to this widgets, and then here you can find this MailChimp option. Click on that MailChimp, and then default sidebar. After that, click on add to visit. So here you can see that we have this MailChimp option. So here the title will be newsletter, and then here you can see that it has get all latest content a few times a month. You can copy this, and here in this text part you can give this as that, and then here you can in the placeholder, this one is the placeholder like your email. If you want to change this placeholder, you can change this. Now click on OK, and then let us refresh the page. So here you can see that we have this again the same newsletter over here. So suppose if you don't want to accept GDPR terms, you can delete this one, and then if you will save it, when you will refresh it, you will not find any GDPR terms. After that, here you can see that we have this follow me option. So here you can see these social icons, add that after the MailChimp. Let me, and here in this social icon, you can set the title as, instead of followers, you can set it as follow me, and then style, and then transition you can set. Let me set the transition to rotate, and then link target, let it be self, add no, none, make it no, and then here border radius, let me set it to 50%, and then when you will go down, suppose if you want whatever link, if you want, let me give them Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. That's all. Let me save this, and then I will refresh the page. So here you can see that I am getting this social icons like this when I'm scrolling over here. So in this way you can add social icons. After the social icons, again here we have this Instagram one. So if you will scroll down, or here you can, let me collapse this social, follow me, and then here you will get this Instagram option. So how you can get this Instagram? So here you can search this Instagram, and you can add this, and here you can use any username to say like you want to add, and the number of images you want to, so you can make it 6, and then you can give it any style like style 2 or anything, and then here you are getting this link to Instagram image or Instagram profile. Any of these you can select, and after that you will click on save. You will find that you can get your Instagram account here. So let me refresh it. Here now it will show that Instagram is getting error, but when you will configure all of this thing, here you can see that these are basically this Adidas, it has tagging this entire sum of this Instagram profile, that's why these are coming. So in this way you can open any of the Instagram profile and you can add it here. So let me now refresh it. So I'm not going to make any of this Instagram one, so let me delete it. After this Instagram you can see this recent post, so let us add the recent post one. So for this recent post here you can see that let me find this recent post here. So don't use this recent post without any arrow mark here, so I will tell you which one you have to use. Let me find that one. What I will do, I will search here. This one with this, here you can see that you have some of these arrow mark. Add that recent post here, and the number of posts you want to display, make it 5, and then let us change the post type, will be this post, and everything is okay. Now save it. After the post, here you can see that we have this tag option, so let us add the tags also. So here for this tag, let me found this, here you will find this tag cloud option, add that to default slider. After that click on this done, and then here you can give it a title of tags, and then click on save. So now when you will refresh, here you can see that recent post tags. So now we have done with our sidebar. So after the sidebar, now two things are left. One, we have to create our header, and the another thing is we have to create our footer. So let us first go with our header, or you can go with the footer also. So what I will do, again here after the widgets you will get this menu option. Go to that menu option, and then here first of all let me give it a main menu name, and make sure you have selected this main, and then click on create menu. After that here you can add this home, add to menu, and then instead of this posts, here you can see that this post category, add all of these post category like travel, fashion, lifestyle, and then click on save menu. So one more thing, we have not created this contact page yet. So as I have already told you that this contact page entire, so we are going to create this contact page. So before that, so first of all again what I will do, I will go to this pages, and let's start first creating this contact page. So first of all what I will do, I will click on this add new, and let us first create a page name with contact, and then click on publish. So let us view the page on a new tab. So here you can see that we don't require this sidebar or title bar. So what I will do, so from here OceanWP setting, I will make the content layout full width, and then I will go to this title, and I will disable the title also. Now let us update the page, and let's refresh this contact page, and let's see. So here now you can see that it is completely blank. So let us click on this edit with Elementor, and then as I have already told you that I am going to give you this entire how you can add this all first name and all. So let us first do that one. So here what I will do, you have to click on this add template and then go to this my template and click on this import button. So here you have to click on this select. So in the same blogging to folder which you will download, here there we will find this template folder. Click on that and contact us page. You have to upload that contact us page and then click on insert. After clicking on this insert option, here you can see the entire left, on the left side you will get this map and all these text, everything you got. So let us now create our form. So here you can see that we don't have any form. So what I will do, on a new tab I can go back to the dashboard and then here I will go to this WP form and click on this add new to create a new form. So here you can see that this is how this is will be our contact form. So I will click on this simple contact form to create a simple contact form here. So first name, last name, email, then we have to add this message. So let us quickly create contact form. So here you can see that here you can edit these, suppose these are basically the placeholder like first name, last name. What I will do, I will go to this advanced option and here first name I will write first name and then in last name again I will write last name and then hide label, hide sub label. So now here you can see first name and last name are only in placeholder. For this email also again I will go to this advanced option, placeholder text. Let me like email and then hide label, and now you can see that email coming. And then for this comment or message again go to this advanced option and just change the placeholder text to your message and then hide label, limit length. No need to enable this limit length and click on save. Here you can see this is submit and all, everything is good. Now refresh the page with Elementor. Let me go back from here. Now let me select the form. So this one simple contact form and then I will click on update. So here you can see that we have got exactly the contact form. So one more thing you can do, go to this click on this edit section option in advance. Make sure you have selected this EM in margin and add a 4 EM top and a 4 EM bottom margin. It will look more better. So this how it's going to look like. After that let us again click on this exit to dashboard. So again click on this WordPress logo. Now what I will do, let us view our site. So here you can see that this is how our site is going to look like. So we have created one more page. So let me tell you how you can add a menu from customize option. In customize you will find these menus, go to that. In main menu you have to add an item. So click on this contact and then now publish it. So here you can see we have got this contact also. After that here you can see we have to go to this go back, and here you can see this home page setting. No need to go to this home page setting, directly go to the header option. So here in this header you can go to this general option and here you can change the size style of it. Suppose if you want to make any other style for the header, you can make it. So let me select it for top menu. So now here you can see that this is how it's going to look like in top menu. So here in top menu, if you will go back and menu position before the logo, you can set it from here. Now click on publish. After this top menu, suppose let us go back and here you can see the social menu. As you can see that we have these different social menus here. So you can enable the social menus from here, and whatever social menu like Twitter and then Facebook and Pinterest and Dribble, LinkedIn, Instagram, you can add as many you want. So let me remove, I think I have given many, so let me remove some of these, and in this way you can see you can add these social menus. After that let me click on publish. So here you can see that we have done with our header. So now what I will do, again I will go to this menu and I will create a new menu. Here I will give it a name footer and make sure you have selected this footer. Now click on next and then add item. Let me quickly add this home contact, and then category I will add this travel, fashion, lifestyle. let me drag this contact at the bottom and I will publish it. So if you will go to the footer, this is how you can see that we have this menu in the footer: home, about, lifestyle, fashion, contact, everything. But we have this footer top, so let us go back, and here you can see that footer bottom we have, then footer widget. So make sure you have disabled this footer widget. So now it's fine. After that, if you want to change this blog page number of post is displaying, so here you can go to this blog single blog entries, and here you can change this. Suppose whatever, if you don't want to see the meta and all, you can change it, and you can change the position from here also. So let me go back, and here you can see this footer bottom. So background color will be black, and then link color, so link hover color, you can make this link hover color to white so that it will look more better. So let me make this link hover color to completely white. So I will drag it, or what I will do, I will make it complete white, and then links color I will change it to D3 D3 D3. I think this one will look good. And then text color, no need to change anything, or if you want you can change this text color also. Let me make it A3 A3 A3. Now it's looking good. And here you can change this copyright, and then here you can change by the CMS guys. Let me remove this blogging to. So you can add this type of copyright like blogging to by the CMS guys, and then when I will refresh it, you will find this entire. So let me cross mark this one, and then you can go back to the footer, and here you can see that you have got the text. So now for this again what we have to do, let us change the font family and all. If you want you can change the font family also. So let me tell you how you can do that. For this one, you can again go to this customize option, and here you will when you will scroll down, here you can see this footer bottom, or sorry, you can go back to this typography, and in typography here you can get this footer menu, footer copyright. You can go this and text transform, you can make them all uppercase, and then font family, whatever font family you want to select, you can select it from here. Suppose here in this let me publish it, and let me see what in general the font family is. So here you can see that it is Latin. So in this way whatever font family you want to give, you can give it here. So with this we have completed all of these settings like what color and how to customize all of this footer and all. So now if you will see this, we have got entire website here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries, don't forget to leave a comment down below. We will definitely love to solve your queries, and please give a like and subscribe our channel.